What up, y'all? It's your boy Sean coming at you with another video with an unboxing of Air Jordan 11 Retros. Now, I know Kwani uploaded a video on Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. Maybe late Christmas. You know what I mean? Happy New Year. I didn't get a chance to upload this video on Christmas. I meant to. But we'll get into this. Once again, this is an unboxing of the Air Jordan 11 Retros. This is something I got for Christmas, like I said. And I'm in love with these shoes. I took a peek before, but I'm gonna put them on feet and show you how they look. I think these things dropped in 2018. Yeah, I took a little glimpse. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? These are tough, man. These are very tough. Look at this. Look at these shoes. Always wanted a pair of these Concords. That's a street name I'm thinking for them. They got the 45 on them, Jumpman. You know what I mean? Man, I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these. Like, look at these. Tough. Got these from GOAT. I didn't buy these for myself for Christmas, obviously. But look at these things. Let me get both of these shoes out. A little quick unboxing. It's a shoe unboxing. You know what I mean? These not the ones that recently came out, I don't think. I'm not a sneakerhead, so maybe Kwani would be able to tell you that, because he's a sneakerhead out of both of us. But these came out 2018. Yeah, let me fix the camera. Look at those. Tough. Now I'm gonna switch to the camera to the on feet and show you how they look on my feet. And these how they look on foot. I gotta play with the laces a little bit. I just throw them on, but they mad comfortable. You know what I mean? They run a little big, but I got some space. Don't want to get a size that's perfect for your foot anyway. But look how good these look on my feet. Tough, man. Very tough, very tough. Yeah, but this been unboxing of the Jordan 11 Retros. Little quick unboxing on foot review. And it's review 2 1.